Snow has stopped falling. It's time to start shoveling before someone could get hurt on your property. With a risk for injury, many communities do enforce laws on how long you have to clear your sidewalks before facing a fine. And Western Mass News reporter Sabrina Riley getting answers for us on what those laws are and your rights if you get injured on someone else's property.
Many walkways in Western Mass were disguised by fluffy white snow Tuesday morning after many communities received roughly a foot of snow, a scene that can be dangerous if not cleared properly. Western Mass News spoke to one Springfield resident who has made a business out of helping others clear their sidewalks.
A couple of people I shoveled their walkways and driveways for them. For a little bit of pay, a little hustle.
And while this homeowner may have to pay for the small service, the price of a fine is far greater. According to the Springfield Police Department, there is a $50 fine for not clearing your sidewalk within 24 hours of the last flakes falling. Similar laws are in place in cities like Chicopee and Holyoke.
The town and city laws or the ordinances say that you need to remove snow and ice from your front sidewalk within 24 hours of a storm. So once the storm ends, you got to get out there within 24 hours.
Personal injury lawyer Robert DeTusa with the law firm Alekman DeTusa in Springfield tells Western Mass News you could also be held liable if someone gets injured on unshoveled surfaces on your property.
If somebody comes onto your property, say the walkway between the front sidewalk and your front stoop, or your front steps, or on your driveway, then you could be responsible, legally responsible for their injuries if you don't remove snow and ice from those areas. So if it's on your property, you have a legal obligation to take reasonable steps to remove snow and ice to prevent injuries. In terms of the public sidewalk, you have an obligation under the city and town ordinances to remove it with snow and ice within 24 hours, but you're not going to be legally responsible for any injuries caused by your failure to do it.
Western Mass News is also getting answers on what you should do if you are a person that has slipped on an icy sidewalk.
From a proof standpoint, you want to take photos if you can do that. Also get medical care, and if you want to consult with an attorney, you can do that so that you know what your rights are.
For Western Mass News, I'm Sabrina Riley.